Portable and folding high chairs offer the perfect solution to dining out with little ones when traveling or at restaurants. They come in super stylish, lightweight, and affordable options, so your kiddo always has a safe, clean seat at the table with the entire family, no matter where you go. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Mountain Buggy Pod features solid aluminum clamps with non-slip rubber grips. The clamp tightens with ease to a super firm and safe grip on the table or bench top. It has undergone rigorous safety testing to ensure it delivers as the most reliable, portable high chair around. Also, it's so easy to fold up flat and weighs just 2.2 pounds due to its lightweight yet robust frame, and comes with a durable 300 denier polyester fabric wraps the frame. It weighs a mere 2.2 pounds, has a maximum seat load of 33 pounds, includes a recyclable carry bag for the family that is on the go, and comes in 3 colors. Besides, it is incredibly compact, so the POD fits easily into handbags, buggy gear trays, or compact storage. The POD is exceptionally versatile, with the ability to clamp to most tables and bench tops, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. The FisherPrice Space Saver High Chair offers your little one all the comforts of a standard full-size high chair. It features a full-size feeding tray with a fast finder link to keep bibs, toys, and more within easy reach. Adjustable 5-point restraint for just the right fit, and a spacious contoured seat with cushioned seat pad in a gender-neutral pattern. It has 3-position recline that makes feeding comfortable, even for the youngest of eaters, and the tray stays level with the seat reclined. Also, the 3 height adjustments lets you choose the most comfortable height for feeding, with or without the plate. Besides, it's easy to convert from a high reclining chair to an upright high chair to a comfortable, height-adjustable big kid booster seat. The Ciao Baby Travel comes with a lightweight and flexible design, unfolds easily, locks into place, and folds back up in seconds. It has a clear vinyl tray cover that easily wipes clean and a built-in cup holder too. It quickly unfolds, locks into place, and then folds back up in seconds. The included carrying bag makes it easy to stash this high chair in your trunk or closet. Also, it provides a comfortable 5-point safety harness and lap belt to hold children securely. Besides, it has a clear vinyl tray with cover and a built-in cup holder that easily wipes clean. Another advantage is that it comes with a lightweight and flexible design, perfect for children up to 35 pounds. The Juvie Nook features a sizable swing-open tray that operates with a one-hand motion without having to use 2 hands or line up cumbersome rails. 4 depth adjustments allow you to get the plate position perfectly to keep food on the tray and not on your child's lap. It folds compactly like a beach chair and stores easily and light enough to travel with. Also, it offers a deluxe padded seat that is comfortable and easy to clean, and the seat cover is machine washable. It is a roomy, full-size high chair with an exceptional padded leatherette seat that accommodates a child up to 50 pounds. Another added advantage is that it offers easy cleanup, dishwasher-safe tray insert, and leatherette seat wipes down easily. The Chico Caddy hook-on chair is the perfect travel high chair to suit your busy lifestyle. It offers a 3-point safety harness that keeps babies securely in their seat during snack time or meal time, and the quick grip table clamping design makes for a sturdy chair that will put your mind at ease. Also, the quick grip table clamping secures to tabletops with a table skirt that is up to 5.25 inches thick so that you can use your seat almost anywhere. Besides, the cleanup is comfortable with the wipe clean nylon seat, and the plastic or metal parts may be cleaned with a damp cloth and mild soap. Moreover, it comes with hot Italian woven fabric seat that can easily be removed and hand washed to keep your seat looking sharp. Holding the first place among the list of best portable high chairs, we have the Graco Simple Switch. It features 3 recline positions so you can find the right feeding position for your little one. The transition to booster mode is easier than ever, and the built-in leg storage offers you added convenience when mealtime is over. It comes with a machine washable seat pad, which makes cleaning it quick and easy. It has a one-hand tray removal to make getting your child in and out simple. Also, you can use this baby high chair to bring your little one to the dinner table with the family. Another added specialty is that you can turn this 2-in-1 portable high chair to a booster seat when your child is ready. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked what you saw, and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Press the bell icon to get instant notifications on all our products.